Meaning of Lantern Festival.
Lantern Festival.
Lantern Festival.
Lantern Festival.
Lantern Festival. The Lantern Festival, also known as the Yuanqiao Festival, is a traditional Chinese festival that marks the end of the Lunar New Year celebrations. It falls on the 15th day of the first lunar month, which usually corresponds to February or March in the Gregorian calendar. During the festival, people light and hang lanterns, eat sweet glutinous rice dumplings called yuanqiao, and participate in various cultural activities such as lion dances and dragon dances. The Lantern Festival has a rich history and cultural significance in China, and is celebrated with great enthusiasm by people of all ages.